Hello friends, I am Ankur Patel. I am the CEO of software company Infotrek Services Private Limited. Many of the students ask me these questions, what kind of technologies we should use for our final year project. Is it .NET good or PHP good or Java good or Android good or iPhone good, or which kind of technology we should focus on. So my answer is, you can choose any technology and be master of it, and you will always be in demand. Whether it is .NET or PHP or Java, Android, iPhone, anything. You have to choose any one technology and become master at it. You cannot just say that okay, you know .NET as well as PHP, but you don't have any depth of the knowledge regarding this technology. So whatever you do, be very good at it, and you will always be in demand, because there are always companies who require good .NET developers, good PHP developers, good Java developers, and good mobile application developers. So you have to be really good at particular technology. So that is a very general advice. But let's say if you are trying to stay in Ahmedabad. Okay, so after your graduation, if you are going to stay in Ahmedabad, then there are many small and medium companies who are using PHP as well as .NET. So it is more advisable to do PHP and .NET if you are going to stay in Ahmedabad, because there are very few companies who are really working in Java. But if you are targeting a big software companies to get the job, then you should do .NET or Java. So because in big companies still PHP is not that much penetrated, so you should do .NET or Java for getting job in big companies. But if you know your caliber, and if there are very less chance for you to get into big software companies, then for smaller and medium companies, PHP as well as .NET are more preferable. In fact, in Ahmedabad market, PHP jobs are more in numbers available than compared to .NET. So PHP is also easy to learn compared to .NET, but I mean different people may have different opinion that .NET is better than PHP. But I mean Facebook is using PHP, Yahoo is using PHP, and there are thousands of companies which are using PHP very successfully for very high traffic web applications. So definitely PHP is going to be there. Many students ask me the question that whether I'll be getting good salary if I do PHP. Yes, for PHP programmers, good salaries are available. You just have to be good in that particular technology. The starting salary can be 6,000 to 8,000 to 10,000 to 12,000 to 15,000, depending upon the company, depending upon your knowledge, depending upon the negotiation which happens between you and the company. The salary start can be decided. So I would really advise you to work on any technology, whatever you like, and I mean if you are more interested to work in the environment where drag and drop and kind of environment is there, then .NET is more preferable. If you are really interested to work on core applications using command prompt or a normal text editor, then PHP is much better. In fact, there are even other options also available. If you are really interested, you can try Python. Python is the language which is heavily used in Google. So Python is also a very good option. There are 2-3 companies which are using Python in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. So you can get internship there. if you are working in Python. Even there is another technology which is also very few companies are using, but it's a really good technology called Ruby on Rails. So you can choose the path which is not very much explored yet by majority of students. So I would say that Python and Ruby on Rails are two options which are not explored much by many students. So you can try that, and majority of students go for .NET, PHP or Java. I would suggest one thing for girls specifically. See, for girls, many of the times it happens that they get married, and they have to be at home only. They cannot go out to do the job. In that case, PHP can be more useful for girls, because PHP is easier to learn, as well as there are freelancing work available for PHP technology. So those who are interested to start their own business, for them PHP or even mobile application development can be good option to explore if you are trying to get into business in future. So yeah, I mean, this is what my general advice for all the students who are going for the final year project. The only advice I would give at the end is, whatever you do, do your best, and get as much knowledge as possible in your chosen field, and you will always be in demand, and you will always get good job in companies. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to call me. My mobile number is 93761 33927, or you can write me email Ankur, ANKUR, at infotrex.com, infotrex.com. We do take students for PHP training, and my wife classes, Dhwani computer classes. In that .NET and Java training is also possible and available. So good luck to all the final year students, and do your best. Thanks.